जो इंसान अगर समय रैना की कॉमेडी देख रहा है उसको ऑलरेडी पता है कि वो कैसा है,
क्योंकि कॉमेडी का नेचर ही ऐसा सर, एक जोक पे आप कितनी बार हंसेंगे।
There should be a decency and comedy should be clean.
The people who crack joke, they don't have like creativity. That's why they are rely on the vulgarity.
We should not bring the matter of dignity in comedy. Comedy is for fun.
People want their emotions to vent out.
अगर दिल्ली में रहने से पॉल्यूशन की इतनी दिक्कत है तो भाई मास्क खरीद लो ना यार एक।
समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना।
They become more direct, but we have the option of swipe.
अगर हम कॉमेडियंस को फ्रीडम नहीं देंगे ना, उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ऐसे ऑफेंडेड होते रहेंगे तो वो जेल जाते रहेंगे।
Welcome to today's debate. The debate is Indian comedy becoming obscene, vulgar, or is it just a pure form of comedy? So welcome to this channel, guys. You will listen the opinion of many students who are sitting here. You will see that how these students are going to see this whole controversy which has erupted in last couple of weeks, I guess. This biryani case, this rape cases, and this kind of things are spoken by many comedians. We see that these comedians are horribly targeted by many societies, many people, women, and many other people, and they say that they are vulgar, obscene, and it must stop. Do you think they have crossed the line, or you think that there is no line as such? It's just imagination. Is vulgarity subjective? Is it only that one set of people are going to decide, or they are going to decide that what kind of comedy should exist in this country? So today's debate, we are going to find out these questions, these burning questions, that is comedy becoming vulgar, obscene? Is Indian comedy really evolving, or it's losing its dignity? Let's start and find out the answers.
I personally feel it's not losing its dignity, but it's evolving. क्योंकि कॉमेडी का नेचर ही ऐसा सर, एक जोक पे आप कितनी बार हंसेंगे। If समय रैना or somebody else uses profanity or vulgar language, it's up to them. Why are we justifying it's vulgar? It's new. Maybe it's newness.
Just for newness, just for creativity, or just for innovation, we can't objectify women, and we can't target one particular community for some reason. There should be a decency, and there should the comedy should be clean, not properly. They can add jokes, something, but this kind of jokes should not be allowed. What I really believe is that we should not bring the matter of dignity in comedy. Comedy is for fun, and we should leave it to that only. If a school student is watching Samir Anna or any other stand-up comedian, so I believe the parenting has failed there. Parents should not let their kids watch such shows because it's for adults.
One point I would like to counter here, as sir said that it's a choice of individual. So I would like to say that you are right, it's choice of individual, but it's as illogical as saying that दिल्ली में रह के आप polluted air से बच सकते हो. Like it's like that. Every youth is on social media, so it's like it's a algorithm of social media. Everybody will be watching it. हमने जो 370 वाली बिरयानी वाली जो वीडियो है वो सर्च करके नहीं देखी. It came automatically. So how can you say that we should like decide that what we want to watch or not?
Okay guys, so she has raised a very solid point that there is a dearth of creativity and people want to hide their creativity, so vulgarity is surfacing. Somebody else would like to say something on this?
Talking about my point of views, I feel yes, Indian comedy is evolving, but at the same time it is losing its dignity, because I feel there are some of the things which we need to set a bar. It's not like that in the name of comedy we can say anything.
My take on this thing, first of all, I would like to tell her then one thing that you're talking about, that the video that came in your feed, it's not that you searched for, but actually it's called algorithm. And the thing that she's talking about, this objectifying things, sir, if you let alone this comedy, so where is not that woman is not objectified? What is, tell me, for two people who are having altercation, or don't they objectify the woman? They also objectify. When we watch the movie, it is completely written on the movie that it's fictitious, but people also, when the movie Animal came, they talked about that bootlegging thing. That time it was also said that it's completely fictitious. It's completely based story that made for the entertainment purpose. Why people take it there to their heart?
I mean, vulgarity with the comedy is funny. You cannot justify that in a way that it is not funny. It is funny, it is evolving. The point is that whomsoever have bought the ticket of that particular show, it's not like they are going there for the very first time. They might have researched about it, they know about the vulgarity, and they have bought the ticket. It's just like that we are going there and then people are complaining about the scenarios. अगर दिल्ली में रहने से pollution की इतनी दिक्कत है तो भाई मास्क खरीद लो ना यार एक, उसमें क्या issue है?
My question is, in recent year has Indian comedians or comedy become more vulgar than funny?
first thing which I want to mention, what is comedy and when we laugh. If I am saying something which is so normalized and very normal thing in a very pious way, so no one is going to laugh. But when people laugh, when I say something which is forbidden in society, which is something which is not I supposed to say, because all people think, but it is not supposed to say openly or in a public domain, then people laugh, and it's called comedy.
First of all, vulgarity is subjective itself.
Present time, what do you find? The comedy is vulgar or funny? Last.
I think it's both vulgar and funny,
At
and
the same
that's
time,
good.
both. It's funny and vulgar.
Yeah,
So vulgarity filled with fun, or fun is filled with vulgarity?
Fun is filled with vulgarity.
Okay, fun is filled with vulgarity.
First time if I see this kind of video, then next time if I have fun, I will see more and more, and this will affect my mind, and I will be more attracted by this kind of thing, and it may affect my future also. So I think it is becoming more and more vulgar.
So guys, one question comes here after listening to you all. I want to say, what do you think comedians should refrain themselves from targeting? Religion, caste, national symbols, or women, handicap, body shaming? Do you think that comedians should not talk about all these things, or they should have also as much freedom as anybody has to talk about it?
Yes, they should target, but they should target on a right way. If I give one instance, there is one comedy, there is one set which is getting viral, that they're on a rape case. Like 10 out of 9, they just sacrifice, they lose their life. But one, she is enjoying. So what kind of fun you are getting from that video? I don't feel so that is a fun. My blood was really boiling when I was watching that video. I don't think so. There are many reasons we can find joke, but that is not a reason where we can find jokes.
They should definitely make jokes on everything. It's just like gaadi thoko, but so samajh ke thoko. I mean, it makes absolutely no sense. I mean, these jokes are there, and again, why are people looking for dignity, morality on YouTube? I mean, if you are really looking for such lessons, go to school, go to universities. I mean, why are you going on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat to look for dignity and morality? There people come for entertainment. These applications were made for the purpose of entertainment only.
When comedy is happening, बंदा पहले क्लेम कर रहा है कि मैं हंसाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं मॉरल पुलिसिंग, मॉरल गिविंग क्लास नहीं दे रहा हूँ, तो आप कॉमेडी में से सीरियसनेस ले ही क्यों आ रहे हो? बंदा जो क्रैक कर रहा है और आपको उसमें से कुछ सीरियस ढूंढ लेना है.
The thing is, sir, there is one word in English, FOMO, fear of missing out. If my friend groups, if my friends, they are watching, so they will say about have you watched that video? So I will say I didn't watch, I will watch, because of that FOMO thing.
If a joke is not objectifying someone, is not targeting a caste, religion, or any particular sort, don't you really think that it's really a joke? Don't you think it's a statement? If I'm saying that you belong to this particular caste, then it will become a statement. Whenever we talk about that, the something is a joke, then it should be taken as a light-hearted. You should not take something as a seriously.
So my another question, just extended question only. Do you think that roast comedy has crossed the boundary between humor and personal insult? Do you think in the name of roasting, they do personal insult, or it's still a pure form of comedy?
I feel that अगर हर इंसल्टिंग जो है वो आप जॉक की तरह देखते हो, तो फिर जो ऑनलाइन ट्रोल है उसको भी फिर एक कॉमेडियन समझो आप. Why are you being so offended on the online troll? Like, and people say that it's very fine to abuse someone. तो इस तरीके से तो गलियों में गाली देने वाला हर इंसान कॉमेडियन होगा. So these kind of thing we should think about it, right? So अगर मास्क खरीदने से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है, then why are you criticizing government? Why are you saying that reduce this pollution because we are not able to bear these kind of situation? मास्क खरीदो और खुश रहो फिर.
मास्क पहनने से सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो इंसान अगर समय रैना की कॉमेडी देख रहा है, उसको ऑलरेडी पता है कि वो कैसा है, क्योंकि ऐसा तो है नहीं वो फर्स्ट टाइम जाके देख रहा है. हाँ, वो किसी बाबा को भी देख नहीं रहा, और आजकल तो बाबा भी अच्छे नहीं है. वो लोग, अब कितने सारे बाबा है जो लोग रेप कर देते हैं लोगों का, और फिर उसके बाद वो लोग जेल में जाके आराम से 5 स्टार होटल की तरह रह रहे हैं. ठीक है, अगर कोई इंसान तुम्हारे को हंसाने के लिए कोई जोक क्रैक कर रहा है और तुम उसकी कॉमेडी पहली बार नहीं देख रहे हो, तुम उसकी बहुत बार देख चुके हो, और या फिर तुम पहली बार भी देख रहे हो, तो तुम्हारे को पता होगा कि तुम क्या देखने जा रहे हो. ऐसा तो है नहीं.
ओके, वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट कि भाई अगर तुम कई बार उनकी कॉमेडी देख चुके हो तो you should be okay. Give it to Subina.
I just really want to say that different people see the things differently. When a people is cracking joke on others, people laugh, and when we go there, we can see that people are laughing, people are making joke on others, and people are laughing. So अगर कोई बंदा इतना हंस रहा है, इतना enjoy कर रहा है, and if you are finding it that it is not good, so don't watch this. As she said that algorithm set hota hai, but we have the option of swipe. We can swipe if we don't like it, so we can swipe the video.
So in the stand-up comedy show, like some people offers the comedian that you should roast me just for the fun and the laughter, and also like the comedian ask permission from the person, like can I film you in my video or can I ask you some questions. So the roasting goes with this format.
So guys, there was a time we could sit together with our family and watch comedy. So my another question is, do you think that in modern time we can sit down with our family and watch modern stand-up comedies? Is it possible or it is not possible?
जब हम बात कॉमेडी की कर रहे हैं और जब उसको ऑब्जेक्टिफाई करना है तो हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर कॉमेडियन पे या सेट ऑफ कॉमेडी पे चले जा रहे हैं. देयर आर मेनी गुड कॉमेडियंस, लाइक ही वाज गिविंग एग्जांपल ऑफ हर्ष गुजराल और अभिषेक उपमन्यु और कपिल शर्मा. सो वी कैन वॉच. हाँ, जब अकेले में एंजॉय करना है तो आप कुछ खट्टा मीठा भी ढूंढ सकते हैं, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है.
Comedy is not wrong, it's just about your choices, what you are going to watch and with whom you are going to watch. It's just like a movies. If you are going with your girlfriends or boyfriends, so you are not going for any family movie that हम साथ साथ हैं हम आपके यहाँ का. No. But if you are with your family, so you will watch such kind of genre which you prefer with your family. But if you are going with your, that your partner, so you will go for as much as dirtiest movie you can watch, as much as obscene movie you can watch. Yeah, it's true.
Yes, we can still watch comedy shows with our families as well, because there are so many stand-up comedians still who like prefer clean comedy. Comedy is becoming more diverse now. It has been vulgar back then as well, and it is still, but it is more I think diverse now. We have more options and we can explore that.
10-15 years ago, there used to be only one television at home. So that's why the family would sit together, eat together and watch whatever would be coming on the television. In today's time, everybody is having their mobile phones. I mean, I don't know how many of us really sit together and have their dinner with the families, first thing first. So people rarely do that, right? Second thing is like, that's why comedy is an option for everybody now. Whatever you wish to watch, you can watch it. There is nothing like vulgarity. Every comedian is using that. Even the cleanest comedian who were named here, they are also abusing. So when you are saying that clean comedy, even Kapil Sharma, when he was coming and laughed, and not comedy circus, he used to make double meaning jokes. Right? So everybody was laughing. Those were still family shows. Families were watching together. And nobody had problem back then. All of a sudden, everybody is having problem now because they have a lot of free time and mobile phone and free internet by Ambani ji. So they believe that okay, they should go on internet and write something, which should not make any sense.
Do you think कि जब ऐसे जोक्स आते हैं तो कुछ बुरी चीज़ें नॉर्मल होने लग रही हैं? ऐसा लग रहा है आपको?
So जो 370 वाला जोक था, तो उसके अंदर मेरे को लगता है कि लड़कियों के लिए वो एक लर्निंग होनी चाहिए कि कोई 370 रुपये की बिरयानी तुम्हें खिला दे और उसके बाद तुम उसके मतलब ऐसे इतना सब कर दो, तो ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए ना. ये देख भाई, मैं तो सही कह रहा हूँ भाई, लर्निंग ही तो है ये एक तरीके से.
The point is that most of the Indian family, they won't be agreed with that, because if we will look in the foreign countries, they are totally fine. Yeah, the Indian parents, we cannot, cause we have our own choices, right? With the family, we can just choose what they want to watch.
सर, अगर हम कॉमेडियंस को फ्रीडम नहीं देंगे ना, उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ऐसे ऑफेंडेड होते रहेंगे तो वो जेल जाते रहेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ सम पॉलिटिशियन. वो भी उनसे ऐसे ऑफेंडेड हो जाते हैं, उन्हें कुछ पसंद नहीं आता उनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, तो वो जेल भेज देते हैं. अगर हम किसी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ऐसे ऑफेंडेड होने लगे तो मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कोई सही चीज़ है.
अल्पसंख्यकों का भी तो अधिकार होता है सर. इफ दे आर लाइकिंग इट सो दे कैन वॉच, और इफ मेनी पीपल आर नॉट लाइकिंग इट.
देखिए, अल्पसंख्यकों का भी अधिकार है.
हाँ सर, वी आर लिविंग इन,
उनका भी मन है तो उनको अलाउ होना चाहिए. वेरी गुड.
Sir, I personally don't believe that it's a comedy. I believe if it's hurting some sentiments, it's not a comedy.
Everybody gets offended here with everything. I mean, मुझे भी बहुतों की शक्लें नहीं पसंद, and I also get offended. I am hurt also in that level. Doesn't mean that I should be consoled. I mean, this logic does not work. दूसरा, like एक basic joke ये होता है ना, नितिन गडकरी ऐसा पेट्रोल बना रहे हैं कि लोग गाड़ी में भी ले लो और मुंह में भी. Right? आप अब ये पेट्रोल सोच के नहीं हंस रहे हो. But it's a clean joke, right? It's a clean joke. अब अगर आप ऑफेंड होने की बात करोगे तो वी ऑलवेज गेट ऑफेंड विद वन और द अदर थिंग. आई मीन इस लॉजिक के साथ तो देयर विल द कॉमेडी विल नॉट बी एग्जिस्टिंग. So we'll be looking for some other ways to entertain ourselves. So I don't think that we should really bring, being offended or not in this question.
For more views, you want them, you will cross the limits. Yeah, it's just like comedians are what are they are doing. They just want to be cool and they want more views. And just because of that, they are like just crossing limit. They just whatever they want to see in that like videos, what happening. It's all like unscripted. Whatever they want to say, they are saying, and just the thing that whatever comes, like it will go on trend and will famous.
Comedians love their profession because the stand-up comedians doing their job only, and if they are not funny and if they are not being funny and they are not able to make someone laugh on their content, so I don't think that they will get viral on some pages, on some social media apps.
नहीं, disclaimer के बाद ही ज़्यादा interest आता है. Oh, it is saying you should not watch it. Let me watch it.
Sir, that's why, sir, then people can say that we are getting offended, we are getting some hate on some points. So people can say that like we can't crack jokes on some handicapped people, some specially able, or some religion also.
The only thing that we read in disclaimer is that word disclaimer only. उसके बाद हमने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा होता है. हमने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा होता. If you ask like disclaimer में था क्या? भाई disclaimer पता, उसके बाद था क्या? मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. Why? Because we always focus on the content that we are watching. And about this thing that fame is a byproduct of being genuinely funny. We always ask whenever we have any sort of a get-together excursion, where is Ashish sir? Not because he's famous. Why? Because he's genuinely funny. That is the main reason why he's famous among the student. Why he's famous with the teacher. Like why he's not here? Because we know he's genuinely funny. Same goes with the comedian also. They are viral because they are genuinely funny. How many of you know the name of Pratyush Chaubey? Shreya? Nobody knows why. They are not genuinely funny. That's why they are not famous. That's why. Why Rahul Gandhi is famous in the politics? Not for politics, for being funny, for doing the absurd things. Same goes with this comedian also. People who are genuinely funny, that's why they're famous. My friends call me to come with their sit together. Why? Because I'm genuinely funny among them. No matter, I'm not be funny in other places, but I think that's a byproduct of fame.
Chalo, towards the closing, I want to ask one thing. Should this kind of comedian be censored? क्या आपको लगता है ये सेंसर्ड होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए?
आई डोंट थिंक कि लिमिटेशन होनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये अपने अपने ऊपर है कि हम क्या देख रहे हैं और हम क्या समझ रहे हैं. अब जैसे आशीष सर ने एक जोक मारा, कितनों को हंसी आई और कितनों को समझ में आया. जैसे मुझे समझ में आ गया तो मैं हंस दी. लाइक इट्स अ फनी, लाइक इट्स फनी.
No, sir, I don't think so. There should be censorship because what is the point of uploading that kind of comedy if people are not able to watch it as raw?
Sir, I think some of the words should be beeped. Like whenever they use something and that is very derogatory, then they should beep that particular word and that particular sentence or that particular line.
There should be no censorship on such things. हमें इन सब चीज़ों को जोक की तरह ही लेना चाहिए. उनमें limitations भी होनी चाहिए.
According to me, there should not be censorship on comedians and comedy shows. It's their freedom of expression that they are showing, and in that they can show anything and say anything what they want.
If you guys get a chance to roast someone, yeah, I know that some of you are quite capable. Whom would you like to roast?
Sir, I want to roast Indian Babas and their followers.
The people who not stick to one side. They're always sitting on the fence only.
For me also, I would like to roast the people who are in the middle. I mean, in the life, you cannot be in the middle always. You have to choose one side. And भाई अगर दो नाव पे पैर रखोगे गलती से एक नाव यहाँ वहाँ चलेगी तो कुछ गलती हो जाएगा.
I want to roast that people who हम तो अब खा लेंगे नॉन वेज लेकिन ट्यूसडे और सैटरडे को नहीं खाएंगे. हम यहाँ पे धक्के खाएंगे, ज़्यादा वैष्णो देवी जाएंगे, इतनी सारे मतलब भीड़ भाड़ में जाएंगे तो हमें कुछ मिलेगा. तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि.
वेरी नाइस.
Sir, I want to roast those people जो दिन में कुछ और है और रात में कुछ और है. It's just like that.
Sir, I want to roast those people, those who are saying that we should be original to each and every place. How can I become the same person in front of my father or in front of my friends?
I would like to roast those audience or those people who give selective backlash on the basis of gender.
सर मैं उन लोगों को रोस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि जब बात किसी और के रिलीजन की होती है तब वो हंसते हैं, पर जब उन पे के खुद के रिलीजन पे आती है तो उन्हें बुरा लग जाता है.
भारत की पॉपुलेशन 140 करोड़ है. जिसका जो मन कर रहा है वो लिखता है. You shouldn't really boil your blood over such things.
So you have seen the opinions, you have heard the opinions of all these students, what they have to say. You have listened from different perspectives. Some people are in support, some people are not in support, some people say it's the comedy is evolving, some people are saying no, comedy is no more comedy, it's a vulgarity. What is your take on this whole discussion? Do you like this discussion? If you have liked this discussion, I would request you to press the button, the like button, subscribe to our channel, and please do let us know what do you think, what's your opinion about this whole controversy in the comment section. We would love to know your stand on this, that is comedy really becoming vulgar and obscene, or it is just evolving. Thank you so much for watching us.